Hi everybody, as Gwen has already dealt with the key takeaways and discussion points, what I'll be dealing with in this session is the key points going forward. There's 4 key action points. Point number 1 is that Ronald will contact you all and invite you to the next lab meeting, which will be held in the next 2 months. Point number 2 is that Ronald will also be contacting the learning partners for a BELA to debrief the lab meeting and to listen to any other points of concern and points that we need to take forward in terms of communication going forward. Point number 3 is that there was a discussion around the learning managers connecting with the learning partners before the learning workforce meetings so that any concerns, specifically operation concerns, can be raised at the learning workforce meetings. So we'd expect those meetings to happen before the next learning workforce meeting. Which brings me to point number 4, which is that the next learning workforce meeting will be held in approximately 2 weeks. And at that workforce meeting, there'll be 2 key points on the agenda. The first point on the agenda will obviously be a debrief of the lab meeting. And then the second key point on the agenda will be to discuss how we take the projects forward. So we'll have to have a detailed scoping of the projects, a prioritization of the projects, making sure that we don't have any bottlenecks, etc., allocating resources. And then we'll be giving a detailed scoping project on all the projects, or a detailed scoping document on all the projects to the lab for final review and sign-off. So again, to everybody, thanks very much for joining us. It was, I think, a fantastic start to an awesome initiative of realizing our learning vision. Please, again, as in the opening comment, feel free to comment on this video or to record your own video on your iPhone and simply to mail it to me. Thanks very much. Looking forward to your interactive feedback. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.